What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, doing a quick weekly review of what we were putting together on the trade side of things today and this week. And I want to start off by giving you some insight as to how many trades we put on in total. I personally put on 6 trades, with 4 of them moving to profit and 2 of them falling off and hitting those calculated stops. On the entire week, BIOC was hit a couple times on Monday. And we had some stops hit on that one as well, so we went 1 for 1 on that one. SESN was a great trade. ASCMA was another really big trade. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to cap off the week by reviewing what I did today and what the community was doing today, and also what the community was looking at in total across the board. So the big one that we were looking at was OTLK today. And this was a very, very simple trade. We were looking at this on the 5-minute chart. It was up pre-market. We were talking about it in chat. And there was one level that I was watching, period. And that was this resistance level of 244. Very, very simple play. When 244 gets taken out, I'm going to get in this thing at 245. We use a tool to gauge where price action could potentially go to. We put that on the charts and we just waited. The strategy that I teach the guys in the boot camp is about waiting for these trades to come to them. And the way that this worked out is that we waited on that 244 level. Now, everybody was talking about other stocks, looking at other stocks, but the actual strategy states that you find 1 or 2 things that work and you sit tight and wait for that trade to come to you. If the trade doesn't come to you, you simply don't trade. OTLK did its thing, pulled back, blew up right through here, and went straight up to target right in this level, right through here at 267. This was a very, very quick, simple trade. The market is still open. We are long gone. We hit this later on in the day, just around 10:30. But you can see right through here, there was a bit of a test and a pullback. Price action confirmed and held that level. I started off the trade at 245 with my stops down here at 233. As soon as we got this break and confirm, I rose my stop just like this. And then as soon as this broke out, this peak right through here, this wick, this top of the tail, it actually hit our profit target. And there's, again, a very specific way that we test for target levels. And this was hit. And as soon as it hit and didn't confirm that it was moving higher, we bailed on the trade, leaving the trade in profit. OTLK, this was a beautiful trade. A number of the people in the community were trading it, actively trading it, profiting from it. We had a number of people in the community that were sitting tight watching it, paper trading it. So across the board, we had everything from paper traders to watchers to participants, and everybody did well. So OTLK was a fantastic way for me and a lot of the people in the community to close out the week. Another stock that was being watched, which I did not participate in today, but a number of people did, was BIOC. This was a really nice play, and this was the exact same situation. We saw pre-market activity, hit this high, pulled back. We started talking about it. It moved up, pulled back, flagged, called the technicals on this in chat to a T. Number of people hit this one as well. Fantastic way to close out the week. We have a boot camp course that's starting on the 29th. We are totally 100% full. Last month's class, 100% full. Taking names for July 10th is when we run the next one. And these are the things that you're going to learn. We've got a scanner. We've got 3 variations of the same setup that we use every single morning, and then a very, very simplistic way that we go through the market to find volatile trades, hit them, quit them, and bounce on the market. BIOC, one of the top moves today. OTLK, personally hit it. Fantastic play. J. Lewis Trading community members absolutely hammering these trades. So incredibly happy on the week. Very, very happy with everybody's performance. If you have any questions, by all means, email me directly. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to know what some of my past students are up to, in the description box below, click some of the links, watch some of the interviews. We do have more interviews of students that are coming up soon. So check back, check the channel out, and we'll see you soon. Again, if you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com.